This is just a brief video. I had issues with a 2001 Volkswagen Jetta 2-liter automatic. It would just automatically shut off midstream while driving, just at random various times. It would just keep shutting off, throwing codes. I put an ECU in it. Well, actually, I sent a part out to a place in California. I'm not even going to mention their names, but they allegedly rebuilt it and sent it back, told me it was a plug and play, and the mechanic put it inside of the vehicle, and the same issue started happening the next day after I took it out of the shop. Long story short, it threw codes again. I scanned it. The codes started saying the same thing. Problems with electric circuits, all kind of circuit codes. Long story short, I checked around the battery as far as the terminals to make sure they were tight, and what I'm doing now is cleaning this port underneath of the battery right here. I'm going to reach my hand. This right here, I took the bolt off because I'm going to sand it all down right here. I cleaned this literally with a dish brush right here. Sorry for moving around. I cleaned it with this. I'm going to throw this away. I cleaned down here. It had a lot of grease and dirt buildup and smudge. So I literally cleaned it with soap and water, Dawn soap, and some warm Dawn soapy water. And now I'm going to dry it off first real good, and then I'm going to sand the ports down. I bought some fine, like 1000 grade or up sanding paper, and I'm going to sand all around the bolts and the terminals. And then I bought a battery cleaner to clean around the cables on the inside ports here and then I'm going to make sure all of the connections are tight, and that should alleviate the problems that you or anyone you know with one of these Jettas from around the millennium, like around 2000, with the vehicles just randomly shutting off. It's not your ECM. Don't spend a whole lot of money. Don't listen to mechanics. When you scan your car and it's just randomly shutting off, it is not your computer. It is actually negative terminals like these that are rusted and corroded. And I'm going to sand all around, like I said, around here. I'm going to sand everything metal, and I'm going to get it back to where you can see the aluminum and the steel showing real good, nice and shiny, like when it was brand new. And when I connect it, it will eliminate the issue with the car just randomly shutting off.